I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it.
So yes, peeps, tonight we're out here. On the other day, I did a video for another day. Kind of busy working. So tonight we're out weekend night. Yes, as you can see in the background, we're at Wharf restaurant. So yeah, I'm bridging Germany out there.
Yeah, man. Wharf
Yeah.
restaurant.
Yeah. Yeah. So out here, no? Out here without fear. It's big and beautiful. Yep. It's nice. And we're out here. Straight to our back. Yes, Steve. So this is the Wharf restaurant. You can see. Yep. A pretty fish. And sitting. Yeah. Nah, man, I like. We're out here. Yes, so this is the Wharf restaurant. So yes, babes, after a hard working week, I'm just here chilling, sipping on something soft. Yep. So soon get a table. As you can see, the tables are full. The tables are full of the people out here. I need a waterfront table. I need a table right at the seaside. So stay tuned. I'm going to watch one fire, hold the fire. See peeps, some tarpons. Some tarpons in the night, swimming around. You see some tarpon. Look at it. Tarpon and come out and then feed them at night. That's okay. Yep. Okay. Look at tarpons, a lot of them. Look at them. Look at tarpons. Whoa. So they feed them here. This is why they come here so much. See, the sign says, I feed the tarpon. Yep. So this is it. This is the life, you know? So finally get my table. Yeah, look at my table. As I say, we work hard, so I have to full dry a little bit of it. So the restaurant still a lot of people here and things. Look at it. There's a boat all the way out there that you can see the boat. There's a boat out there. Yeah. So we're out here, peeps. Menu board. As you can see the menu board, so this is what I'm gonna order now. Imperial caviar. See, Imperial caviar, that's like $295 US. Whoa. Alright. Spinach and appetizer. So tonight, waiting on what I ordered. It's a small, little bit, cause as I said, we're hard, so I'm going to joint a bit. Yeah. The bar there. Yeah. The people around. Jermaine over there, so we'll join himself. Jermaine there. See him there. Yeah. Yeah, so because you don't have to have money to, you don't really have to have money to live the life, you know. You just have to kick back sometimes. Enjoy life a bit. Can just work and not relax, you know? Relax sometimes, breathe easy. Yeah. Yes, babes. You know, yeah, I don't know. A video from the other day. So I say I just come out tonight and do a little thing. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Got the surrounding. Surrounding. Yeah. The surrounding all look. Yeah. Yeah, so now what's in my cup? What's in my cup stays in my cup. So yes, peeps, I want to help me reach the 1,000 subscribers. So I know if I reach the 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to just because I want my channel to just, you know what I say? Blast up like the World Trade Center. Yes, I wanted to blow up like the World Trade Center. I'm going to blow up like the World Trade Center because I want to help me with that still. Because I have a lot of people to help, you know. So I plan to use YouTube money and help a lot of people because I have a family and trust me, just working and help them can't do. So I need that and I need to start travel a lot because Cayman kind of get smaller way for me. You know what I say? You know, an eagle need to fly, right? I feel like cage up like an eagle will cage up and you know it's an eagle need to fly. So you want to help me. You get me I say? Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. You get me I say? When you like it, the video them, when you watch it and like it, spread more. You get me I say? Yeah. So just like it, press like. Number that, watch it and not like it, just press like when the video them. Just press like. You get me I say? Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe. Yes, let me see when I watch the video them so that I really respect that and appreciate that. But you don't need to subscribe. Subscribe some more. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. On fire, all the fire. Just go and stay tuned and watch what I go on. So yes, peeps, junior food arrived. Junior salad arrived. Yeah, and the bread and thing arrived here and thing. So I'm mash up that. Doing like a mash up that, you know? Yeah. So go in and junior and tell me what it tastes.
I was trying to fuck anyone?
Yeah, anyone, man. What kind of salad again?
Caesar salad. Man.
Season salad.
Caesar salad.
Alright, so. Yes, good. So, why not?
We have Parmesan cheese, lettuce. Okay.
No meat, no or fish? Okay. Alright, so stay tuned until my one forward. On fire.
Listen to me as I say.
Yeah. Yes, peeps. So this is it. This is it. You get me? I say. This is the life. The Jamaican smile. Yes, peeps. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, peeps. Look at it. You see what that Jamaican?
We call this now salmon.
Salmon.
Big salmon. With potato and broccoli and sweet pea, avocado and all that.
Nah, man, line. Look at it.
Tell them, man.
Go in and tell me how it tastes.
Try a nice one walking a long time when I use left and right. Left and right.
Yeah.
Dance go and right.
Go in and Jeremy and tell me how it tastes. Up.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, up.
Well up, man.
Yeah.
Salmon.
You say up.
Salmon.
Just get a picture of the slime, sorry.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah. So Jeremy going a few months and I'm going to my one too. Alright. Yeah, I'm going to my one now. Yeah. Yes, good. Yes, peeps. This is it. This is the life.
A long time when I use anything. Years.
Yeah, I feel rich. I'm feeling so rich right now. So I say people, you just have to sit back sometime and just relax. You have to work and don't enjoy your money. You get me what I'm saying? Yeah. And then you just have to kick back a lot. It's weekend. Yeah. Treat yourself. Yeah. Treat yourself a little, you know? Enjoy life. Sometimes you save up money, work so hard and save it up and end up there debt. And if you don't leave it to a family member, then government get it. You have to enjoy yourself. You have to live life and live it to the fullest. Yeah. Yeah, real food. You know what I'm saying? People are walking around. Yeah, potato. A little broccoli. Yeah. My. Yeah. This is the life, you know? I turn the black, should I say? Real Jamaican Yankee hardy boy. Rich. Yeah. Big up yourself, Tanto Blacks. Real rich. Yeah. Yeah, man, good, man. Tastes good, you know?
Tastes good. That's the way you know.
Yeah, man.
I give you black and it's very good.
Yeah, man.
More Appleton.
More Appleton?
Another one.
You want another one? Alright, give me another one. Then.
For you.
Yeah, another one.
No. He's driving.
No, he's not driving. I'm driving.
You driving. He drink more.
Well, I see the road better.
So one round.
One more. Yeah. Don't drink and drive, peeps. Yeah. Don't drink while you're driving. That's what I mean, you know, don't drink while you're driving. That's what I mean, Jermaine. Yeah. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? One fire, whole fire. Stay tuned for more. I would have done it. You know what I'm saying? Once I put you much of the food. Fuck, almost dropped. Yeah, almost done. Okay, Jermaine, almost much of you already.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jermaine,
Yeah,
go
man,
on.
real good, man.
Jermaine, go on.
Salmon, man.
Salmon. You never eat salmon?
Yeah.
No,
Full of olive and vitamins, man.
Oh,
Olive. I love it. So.
Yeah, and that's in the string bean.
String bean.
And you know,
mashed potato, broccoli.
Yeah.
So some sweet and sour something like that. You know,
Avocado.
Avocado.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So, just stay tuned, people, as we go and mash up the food there. So, you know, check it back when we're done mash up the food. So, yes, peeps, you know, no, at dessert time now, so come here, so again. Some pie thing. You know what I'm saying? So, we're out here living it. Like I say, work hard. Yeah. Work hard every day. So you have to full drive. You know? You got one life to live. You know what I'm saying? So you live it to the fullest. Don't take life too serious. That I realize. And don't care what people say about you. No. Because Christ came to die for us. And he said, yeah. And you know me always say Christ came to die for our sins. And they talk a lot of shit about him. But you might notice people care and think about what people say about them and vex. I mean I say, but then you know, like my third eye open and just say, why you give a crap what people say about you? You get me I say? Christ came and died for all of us, for our sins. And they say all kind of shit about him, call him devil, demon, whatever. You get me I say? So who is you, who is me to care about what people say about us? And don't, as if you don't want people to talk about us. Let them talk. You get me I say? As God still say, let them talk it. We're gonna keep them talking. You get me I say? We're gonna keep them talking. Because if they don't talk, then the mouth will get sting. You get me I say? So that they use our name like toothpaste. As I say, one fire, all fire. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You get me I say? So we're out here. See me. I done it. Because when we left here so, I'm showing you one nice little spot. We down like waterfalls. I like it. But I want the waterfalls still up even because in a Cayman in a town right now because it's not during the day. Normally it's kind of dead. So I want the waterfalls still up. But I think it's up still. So I'm gonna leave here so. I'll go out there. So just stay tuned and watch where I go on. One fire, Wharf. It's a Jamaican, huh? Yes, Jamaican cover Cayman and you know, never know it things set the accommodation and thing and trust me. It just work out for my way. You see the brother have more faith than more Christians. The brother have more Christian than more Christian. Because the Bible says, the word of God says, even if your faith be as smaller than mustard seed, it can move mountain. But the brother understand faith. You get me I say? Him understand faith more than more Christian. Enough Christian read the Bible and then just chat. You get me I say? But they don't believe what they read. But you see the brother here? I think he know Bible and not Christian. But he believe. Yeah, he believe more and more of them. You know what I said? Alright, see that? You have to go out there. Yeah. And see German day Cayman now, full giant himself. You know what I say? So big up yourself, German. See, yes, peeps. I'm gonna get to feed the fish. So here are the tarpons. And I'm going to feed them now. I'm gonna get to feed them now. Oh. A bit further? Okay. This is fun. Yeah, this is fun. Look at it, people. Yeah. Whoa. See, tarpon. Yeah. The tarpons, people, this is the night and tarpons are out. Yeah. Look how big they is. Whoa. They're so big. They're like so big. Waiting to get feed. Oh. And everybody out. People out here. Ready to feed the tarpons. Look at the size of the tarpon. Wow. Isn't that lovely? They're feeding Tarpon. Whoa. This is fun. Jeremy. Like so huge. Look at them. People out here, customers out here, and they feed the tarpons. Are you gonna put it to his hand? Yeah.
Are you ready?
Oh. Feeding tarpons. Huge, man. They're huge. Whoa.
Come over here.
This is crazy. It's like a shark. Whoa. Yeah. And they come to this restaurant, they get to feed the tarpons.
I'll try.
Yeah. I wanna try.
I'll try. If I lose my
So this is a big piece. I have pips. I'm gonna go down and feed him. Yeah. 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 It's a feeding tarpon. Isn't that lovely?
Do it there.
In there.
Be careful, you might drop your phone.
Some like it in there.
There is only one of you, only one of me.
That's crazy. These tarpons are like sharks. Look at them. They're huge. No, I don't want more. I just want to throw it out, man.
I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid
Yeah. Tarpons are fun, man. She gonna feed the tarpon.
Hilarious that they can see it coming.
They're like dogs. Yeah. Oh, smart. These fish are smart. Look at them, they're really big fish. They're really big fishes. Oh. Look at them. Yes, babes, that was fun. Me feeding the tarpons, that was awesome. And look what I came back to. Wow, where did I came back to, people? Dessert is here. What did I order?
Coconut pie.
Coconut pie. Oh, this is coconut pie. Look at it. Look at it, babes. Wow. It is just awesome. This is an awesome night for me. It's like my birthday. My birthday. My birthday is in September, but it's January now. You see them have an early birthday. Yes, peeps, this is a life. Look at it. This is what Jeremy eating. What is it?
Cake and ice cream.
Chocolate cake, ice cream. Look at it.